Good morning students. Now we'll discuss how to test LED or how to connect LED using testing board, okay, or project testing board. And see, I have taken one project testing board and I want to test this LED. Without soldering, we'll connect this one. Let me show. See, this LED, this on the positive side and this on the negative side. The bigger in the positive and this one negative. This is P or this one N, anode, and this one cathode. Okay. So by using this 3-volt battery, I can show that this one is working. That means this is forward bias. The positive end of the battery, this one 3-volt that LED. So this one positive, this one negative. So by using this one, I am testing this one. This is working. But I want to use this LED using 9-volt battery. I want to connect this LED with a 9-volt battery. For this, I have taken one resistor. See this one working. So they are okay. So if I connect directly, then what will happen? If I connect directly to 9-volt supply, so it will damage. So for this, I have taken one project board and a 9-volt battery with clamp, switch, and one resistor and LED. Okay. So already we have come to know that this is the positive side and negative side. Okay. So anywhere, as I said, this one the vertical line and this one the horizontal line. So I have connected one. I insert this one here and one another this one. Inserted. Now I have taken one resistance. Okay. So here you see in this circuit, this LED connected with a resistor, and it is given 9-volt supply. Okay. So here, what I'll do, I'll connect this one. See, this point and this point are same. Let me write here. So this one A and this one B and this one C and this one D and this one E and F. Okay. So this circuit. So this resistance is connected with this LED in series connection. So this is the positive side. You see, this is the positive side. So I have inserted like this, and here, as these columns are same, so I have connected like this. I am inserted anywhere. Okay, like this I connected. So now here you see this one the B point, this one A point, this one D, this one C. So I have connected like this. Now I will attach with battery. So this is the positive side. Okay. So I'll connect like this. First I'll touch this one. You see, it is glowing. Okay. So without soldering, I can connect the LED with wire. So suppose you want to fix this one. So what we will do? We have to insert this one here and here, this line. So by inserting this one, see, we can test the LED using 9-volt supply. Okay. So this way, without soldering, you can do it. Okay. And again, I am showing this one. I have inserted this one. See, this is off and this one on. So here, switch is connected in series with the LED and resistor. Okay. So now let us see. We want to test whether what is the current flow in this circuit. So you know this one DC circuit. So DC circuit. So here we'll see. We'll fix this one. Some current. I move to 200 milliampere. Okay. 200 milliampere, and let me show. Then what we'll do, I'll taken this one out. Okay, I'll connect this one here and I'll connect this one here. See, it is coming. So around 32 milliampere current flow. Okay, so this way you can test the current flow in the circuit. Always ammeter is connected in series with the circuit, so it is in series. Okay, so this way we can check this one. Now we'll check the voltage. Let us see the voltage. So let us see how much voltage we have taken. So this is our total supply is the 9 volt. So let us voltage. So for voltage we have to change to 20 volt DC. I have taken into 20 volt DC. Now it is 0. So now see, this is a total 9 volt. So here I will connect this one. See, it is coming. Okay, 1.11 volt, and this one, let us see, this one also, this one. Okay, so this way you can check the voltage. So in parallelly you can see 1.1, that is 2, approximately 2 volt is taking, and this one also 1.2 volt. So by using the meter as voltmeter, you can use it. Now I see this one also, you will see whether it is working or not. So this is 20 volt is okay. Okay, so this is working. Okay, so this way you can test any electric circuit using the project board. This project board cost only the 150 rupees, 100 to 150 rupees, and the battery cost around 25 to 30 rupees. The clamp again it is cost around 15 rupees. The switch is 10 rupees. The resistance is 1 rupees, 2 rupees like that, and LED 3 rupees. So by using this board, project board, we need not to solder, and you can without soldering you can connect all components, and after the reusing it you can disconnect. Okay, and disconnect and reuse for the other projects. Now let me show what is the resistance value of the this one. So for resistance, let us see, I am taken to 20 kilo ohm. So I am removing this one, I am disconnecting this one. Okay, and this one I disconnected, and let me check what is the value of this resistor. So it is coming 1 point this one, so I'll take it another. Now see, this is 47 ohm. 47 ohm. Again here also you can see. So it is coming 47 ohm. So this is just to divide the load, or in series question the voltage divides current same. So for this we have made the series connection with the LED. So it is on. So let us see again this one. Let us see what is the ohm. So it is not coming. So always after disconnecting we should test the resistance. With supply we should not do it. Thank you.